the end of the day.
Chair,
that is number one.
There was no answer in our meeting.
You do not know. You are not the answered officer.
There was no answer.
You are not the answered officer.
There was no answer.
Anyway, you will get.
I'm on record. There was no answer.
You will get a copy of the ruling, if need be, by the close of the day. Although we may not have it in writing, we have it unanswered. That is how we do our business.
Yeah, there was no answer, Chair. Point of order, Chair. Chair, we sat in a room.
Honorable Junet, out of order.
There was no answer, Chair.
Well,
no, there was no answer. Let us not.
We know it was there.
How do you know, Chair? Were you carrying your pocket? Chair,
we
there was no answer.
Chair,
we had the answered officer there. Honorable Junet. Honorable Junet.
It must go on record. There was no answer, Chair.
Honorable Junet.
Honorable House, let us not mislead the public that there was answered when there was none. Chair, it is important to be candid.
We had our officers there. They are the ones who can answer to that because it's recorded. All right? And you don't know.
Yes, officers we had, but there was no answer, and that's why.
Anyway, what we are saying is this: we have made a ruling. The ruling has been made. You will get. If we
made an oral ruling, no answer.
Hold on. If there was no answer, if it is confirmed, we will have minutes of the meeting. All right? So that's what I want to say. If we didn't record it in form of the answered, we will have minutes and whatever it is we have discussed and agreed.
And who was our secretary?
Who was taking minutes, Chair, in the meeting?
Nobody was.
Can we know?
We don't.
Who was taking minutes?
Petitioner, please. All right. The other parties have said they do not wish to take part in the proceedings, which is good enough. We have no problem with that. We will carry on if you don't wish to do it.